today, and today we are going to visit the Lindos city. Apparently it's the prettiest city in Rhodes, and we will be taking the bus to the port, and then from there we will be taking a boat ride.
It took us about 15 minutes to the port from Ixia. Our boat to Lindos has many facilities: a lounge to relax, a small cafeteria, a sunbed dock, 3 levels of seating areas, and a well-maintained restroom.
The boat departed at 9 in the morning. The cruise trip cost €30 per person, which included the transport to and from the port, visit to Lindos, and quick swim stops at QUINN Bay and TSAMBIKA Bay.
During our trip, we passed stunning views of the Khalitia Bay, the Faliraki Beach, the iconic QUINN Bay, and the TSAMBIKA Bay. And in about an hour after the departure, we stopped at QUINN Bay for a quick 20-minute swim.
We just had a quick swim in the QUINN Bay, and now we are off to Lindos. So trying to dry up, but the water was amazing. Here we are in the beautiful Lindos town. The town is situated in the east part of the island and 50 kilometers from the town of Rhodes. This is the most visited village outside Rhodes town. The rich cultural heritage and architecture of Lindos have changed little in the course of times. One of the main attractions in Lindos is the Acropolis of Lindos. It is a steep rock with the sanctuary of goddess Athena at the top. Monuments from the ancient times like the Athena temple, the Great Doric Tower, and the monumental staircase with its 34 steps alongside the breathtaking views make the Lindos Acropolis an unforgettable experience.
There are 3 routes that you can take to explore the Lindos village. Route 1 leads you to the top of Acropolis by walking only. Route 2, you can either hike up or take a donkey for just €9 like we did, where you can also experience a beautiful panoramic view. Route 3 leads you to the town center and all the way to the St. Paul's Bay. Okay guys, Lindos is a must come, as you can see from this beautiful view of the white town and the beach. It's amazing, amazing. When you climb up over there, you have this beautiful panoramic view, and should you take a donkey ride all the way to the Acropolis, but we didn't go inside the Acropolis because we are short of time and there's a big line of queue due to COVID measures. You know, they're not letting too many people go at one time, but it's beautiful, guys.
Special then with seafood, and this is calamari.
So we stopped for a quick snack in Jojo's 2 restaurant. It's right across the beach, and we stopped for a quick snack. However, we ended up ordering a huge lunch, a seafood lunch. That is the seafood penne, and then we also got some calamari and rice. Yummy! Well, trust me guys, it is really love at first sight. The white sandy beach, the crystal clear water, the friendly locals, the white city, the panoramic view of Lindos Bay, and the joyful donkey ride easily gives you a reason to come back to this amazing city for the second time. With all these memories collected, we had to say goodbye to this beautiful town. So on our way back to Rhodes, we stopped again for our second swim in the TSAMBIKA Bay. After the swim in the blue clear ocean, we headed back to the Rhodes port, enjoying the amazing coastal view of the island. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and click that bell icon so that you don't miss our latest travel videos. See you next time!